Welcome to day 11 of 120 days profitability challenge. In this series, I'm challenging myself to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. How possible is this going to be? Well, I'm documenting every aspect of this journey, the ups, downs, the challenges right here on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like to follow me and keep yourself updated on this journey, kindly go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's do this together. So today being day 11, I'm learning about something very, very simple, right? Day 10, I learned about daily and weekly liquidity. And today, day 11, I'm just adding something to it, okay? So it's basically how to use or how to mark out these liquidity zones on a lower time frame. You don't necessarily have to go to the higher time frame to mark out this liquidity level. So I think it's just good enough for me to show you on the chart right away how to locate or how to mark out this daily liquidity and daily liquidity levels in a market, right? So let's go to the screen right now. So if you're using trading view, actually, okay, you have to go to your settings and turn on session break. Okay, but if you're using MT5 or MT4 on your PC, then go by this method I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so you just right click on your screen, then you go to properties right here, and you turn on, you come to the show over here, right? Make sure it is on show, just like this. Then you come and locate period separators. You turn it on, then you click OK, and you are good to go. So you are going to have this over here. All right, you're going to have this over here. This is 15-minute time frame. Let me go to the daily time frame and let's see how it's going to look over here. All right, we have this over here like this. This is it on a you can say on a daily time frame, and this is from the 1st of December to 31st of December. So this markout is a month wide. So from this to this is 1 month. So this should be from November. Good. Yeah, that's 1st November to, I hope you can see it is located at a down over here. All right. Now let's go back to the 15-minute time frame and let's see what is the difference over here. So this one right here. Okay, I'm referring to this one over here. Let me see. All right, that's the 1st of May to 2nd of May. So this is basically a day interval. So if you see this, the gap from here to here is 1 day. The gap from here to here is 1 day. Now, how do you use this to mark out the high and the low of the day? Now, this is what I'm coming to show you, and I want you to just pay close attention to it over here. I'm going to use my horizontal tool over here, okay? So now, if you look at this range over here, moving from here to here, this is 1 day movement on 15-minute time frame, and I hope that is pretty much clear. Good. So to locate your weekly, or I mean, not weekly, daily high, okay? Daily high, it's going to be this one right here. Okay, this is going to be your daily high, because if you look at the movement in this box over here, this is the highest move so far. And now we want to locate our week. I keep saying weekly low, weekly high. I don't know, maybe I don't know, but yeah, I mean daily actually. Okay, so the daily low is going to be this one right here. So we can put our horizontal tool over here. Okay, if you're on a trading view, I would advise to use the horizontal ray. Over here, I don't have a horizontal ray, so I'm using this one. Okay, so that's how you can mark out the daily high and low on a lower time frame. You don't necessarily have to go to the daily time frame to mark it out. Okay, now the reason why we are marking this out, I don't know if I should include that part in this video right now. Maybe it might be too long or something like that, but yeah, let me just talk about it a little bit. The reason why we are including this part, or we are marking out these things on a lower time frame like this, is that, you see, yesterday, in the previous video, the day 10 video, that I talk about something that when we have, let's say, a bullish trend, okay, we have a bullish trend going up strongly like that, and price happen to take out, or let me put it the way. Let me put it this way. Oh God. So when you have a bullish trend going up like that, and on a daily time frame actually, okay, on a daily time frame actually. So when you see a bullish trend going up like that, and the previous candle's high got taken out, okay, that means there's a possibility of a short-term sell. Listen carefully. I'm referring to an uptrend. In an uptrend, when the previous day's candle was taken out, or the liquidity was taken out, there's a possibility of a short-term sell. It is a short-term because that is not the original direction of the market. But, or however, if you are in an uptrend and you have the low of the previous candle taken out, okay, if the wick of the new candle take out the wick of the previous candle's low, that means there's a high probability of you having a long-term buy. So this is a high probability setup that will enable you to move in the direction of the market. Now that is the one reason why we are marking out these daily lows and highs on the lower time frame like this, so that we'll be able to identify where price get to break either the high or low of the market. Then we combine it with our other things like order block. We look for change of character, inducements, and we combine this stuff to make a trading decision. That is how, like, that's simply the whole thing I'm trying to explain to you, and I hope you do understand it now. Okay, that's what I've been able to learn so far today, how to use or how to apply the daily liquidity concept on the markets and use it the right way. So there are a few things you need to also bear in mind. Okay, if you want to use this properly, you have to learn about inducements, change of character. These are SMC stuff. So you have to learn about this stuff: inducement, change of character, order block. It can either be IFC, that is institutional funding candle. You have to learn about those things and have them at your fingertip. And trust me, they will help you to locate most of the things fast on the market. And like I said in a previous video, I'm learning all these SMC stuff from Accurate Peeps. They have a YouTube channel actually. So that's where I got my videos from. That's where I'm learning. Okay. So if you also want to learn and follow me, feel free to check it out, Accurate Peeps on YouTube. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. I don't know how this challenge is going to end, but I'm hopeful that it will end on a good note and we all will see what consistency can do. Okay, anything that we put our mind to, it's highly possible for us to achieve it. Don't forget, you are a winner, so let's win this together.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me,